So hi guys, this is Chandan and I welcome all of you to this course. So it's an intro video about me as well as about this course. So let's get started. So I hope many of you guys already know me, but I'm uploading this video after a very much long time on this channel. So I would like to introduce myself again and then I will also discuss about the course. So let's start with a short intro. So my name is Chandan and I'm the host of this channel. I'm pursuing BCA and it's my last year. I think it's enough information about me for you guys that you want to know. Now let's move to the next point, that is course introduction. So let's discuss about the course. So the name of this course is Logic Building with C, and these are the basic questions that may be asked by you guys. So I have already prepared this question and will answer this question one by one in this video. So the first question is why I created this course and what is the objective of this course. And the answer for this question is very simple. I have been coding for last 2 years and I have observed one major problem. Lots of students face this problem when they start coding, and the problem is lack of logic. Now what is the logic? So the logic is like when you're getting some problem, so how you are breaking down that problem in order to find the solution for that problem. Okay, what is your thought process, how you are thinking about the question so that you can find the problem. It's all about logic, and in this course I will help you to build your own logic. And if you are connected with me through this entire course, I promise you guys, at the end of this course you will be able to break down any problem in order to find the solution for the problem. Now the second question is who can learn and take benefits from this course. So the answer for this question is you are in a college, you are in school, or you are a pass out, it doesn't matter. If you want to build your logic in programming, then you can go through this course, or you just started coding, then you can also go through this course. It will be helpful for you guys in both cases. Now let's move to the next question, and this question may be asked by many of you guys much more as compared to the previous two questions, and the question is why I have chosen C language for this course. At that time there are many popular languages in the market like C, C++, Java, JavaScript, but still I have chosen C language. So what is the reason behind it? So the reason is very simple. C language is simple and easy to learn as well as understand, so it will be helpful for you. And one more thing, all these languages that I mentioned some time ago like C++, Java, JavaScript, Python, all these languages support the concept of OOPS, object-oriented programming. So if you are going to use any of these languages, then you have to learn about class and object. What is class, what is object, what is method overloading, what is overriding, what is inheritance. There are lots of things that you have to learn before using these languages. So that's why I have chosen C language, because C language doesn't support object-oriented programming, and C language also provide you much more control on your program as compared to other languages. So that's why I chosen C language. So it was all about me as well as the course. So I hope you understand, and if you are watching my video first time, then please subscribe and share this video. So for now, bye bye, take care.